The main focus of HEC Lighting Factory is on its OEM and ODM processing and production. We develop and produce different lighting products and modules according to the needs of different projects. Customization is our company's key element. In the middle of 2023, we launched a newly developed ultra-modern smart lighting solution. In future, we have planned to spend more resources on R&D for the development of our products to provide the world with more cost-effective, environment-friendly, and innovative solutions.
The HEC Lighting Factory is committed to connect different households under a single intent to coordinate the existing and future smart lifestyle under the umbrella of innovation, with a special emphasis to develop a healthier lighting environment with an eye-catching illumination. That has been made possible by us and shown to the world that we are better than the best.
Yes.